phylum NEMATODA. These are the round ones. So let's talk about their characteristics as well as their economic importance. Characteristics, classification, as well as their economic importance. So we're going to start from the characteristics, general characteristics of phylum NEMATODA. General characteristics of nematode. 1. The nematodes are elongated round ones. So their body is elongated and they are round ones. They also have unsegmented body, which is cylindrical. Unsegmented cylindrical bodies. So their body occur in form of a cylinder, and it is very long, but it doesn't have any segment. So that is another characteristics of this group. So they also have some other characteristics like triploblastic organization. Triploblastic, that means that their body is divided into 3 layers: the ectoderm, the mesoderm, as well as the endoderm. They also have pseudocoelomates. They are pseudocoelomates. They don't have a true body cavity. They have a false body cavity. Pseudocoelomates. They have a false body cavity, and also they have bilateral symmetry. They have bilateral symmetry. We said that they are unsegmented, they are cylindrical, and they are pointed at both ends. Cylindrical. And we said they are pointed at both ends, or the tapers, pointed or tapers toward the anterior and posterior end. The anterior and posterior end. Those are the important features they have. The tapers towards the anterior and posterior end. This group are, triploblastic. They are pseudocoelomate. They are bilateral symmetry. They have a complete, digestive system. Complete digestive system this time around, which consists of the mouth and the anus. That is double opening. Consists of mouth and anus. So we said they are double opening. So they still lack circulatory system, and they also they don't have circulatory system. They lack circulatory system, and their nervous system consists of thermoreceptor. The nervous system consists of thermoreceptor. So these are the ones that pass the information. Then this group, they are cylindrical. They are free living forms, and we also have parasitic forms. They are parasitic forms, while some are free living. So we have some are parasitic forms, while some are free living. Some are parasitic forms, while some are free living. These groups are also, they carry out internal fertilization, and the sexes are separate. male, which is different from the female, and we have internal fertilization. They carry out internal fertilization. So this group, they are not hermaphrodite, they are separate sexes. The round ones, and we said they are parasitic, they cause diseases, while few are free. So we also have the examples of this group called nematode. The examples are Ascaris, Lumbricoides. So when we talk about the classification, we have two main groups. Classification of nematode. We have the class Adenophorae, and we have the class Secanaceae. So those are the two main groups of nematoda. The first one is the phasmid, and we have the aphasmid. So we have the classification of Ascaris. Let's talk about Ascaris, the classification of Ascaris. We have the kingdom Animalia. We have the phylum. Phylum is Nematoda. We have class is Secanaceae. We have the order Ascaridida, family Ascaridae, and genus Ascaris, species Lumbricoides. So that is the classification of Ascaris Lumbricoides. So we are going to talk about the economic importance of this group. Let's talk about the economic importance of nematode. So when we talk about the nematode, they are very important in the sense that they are parasites. So, economic importance of nematode. We said they are parasites, plant parasites. The causes, common garden roundworms, the causes of plants, and they lead to annual loss of millions of naira. We also have parasite of livestock. So they affect the livestock, and they also reduce the productivity. When they cause disease, the affected one. They are also parasite of man. E.g. Ascaris. So they can cause disease to man, and the cost of controlling this is very expensive. Cost of controlling the disease, controlling nematode, is expensive. So they spend a lot of money in controlling the nematode as well as the disease they cause. So we said they reduce working hours because they are parasites. They also, form part of the ecosystem. Some of them are saprophytes, so they enhance the nutrient cycling. Saprophytes, or the saprophytic ones, carry out nutrient cycling. Also also they can be also serve as micro decomposers. Some serve as micro decomposers. Those are the economic importance. Those are the economic importance. They cause diseases. The parasites, can be used in the study of parasitology. Can be used in research. So those are the economic importance of nematode. That is random. So don't forget to subscribe to our channel.